Ever thought about what could be your favorite dessert? Is it something classic or perhaps something new and trendy? Welcome to our culinary journey where we explore the sweet side of the internet. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 mind-blowing desserts that are currently taking the internet by storm. From decadent cakes to innovative sweet treats, these desserts have not only captured the taste buds, but also the hearts of millions. We'll be presenting each dessert in a list format, giving you the lowdown on why they're so popular, and even sharing some insider tips on how you can recreate these delicious creations at home. So whether you're a seasoned dessert connoisseur or someone just starting their sweet journey, this video is set to tickle your sweet tooth like never before. Stay tuned as we dive into each delicious dessert that has been making waves on the internet recently. Number 1, cloud cake. First on our list is a dessert that has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. It's called the cloud cake, a name as dreamy as the dessert itself, and it's been taking the internet by storm. Now you might be wondering, what makes this dessert so special? Well, let's dive right into it. The cloud cake originates from South Korea, a country known for its innovative and visually appealing desserts. But what sets this dessert apart is its unique texture. It's like biting into a sweet, edible cloud that melts in your mouth, hence the name cloud cake. Now let's talk about the magic behind this fluffy treat. It's made by whipping egg whites to a meringue-like consistency, then adding sugar, flour, and a dash of cream of tartar. The result is a light, airy cake that's sweet but not overly so. It's then baked at a low temperature to maintain its fluffy texture. But the cloud cake isn't just about the taste, it's about the experience. Cutting into it and watching it bounce back is part of the fun. It's a dessert that engages all your senses, not just your taste buds. And the best part? There's room for creativity with the cloud cake. Some bakers have added a twist to the classic recipe by incorporating flavors such as matcha, chocolate, or even lavender. Others have topped it with fruit or a dusting of powdered sugar. The possibilities are almost endless. So, if you're a fan of desserts that are light, fluffy, and not too sweet, this dessert is definitely worth a try. The cloud cake is more than just a dessert, it's an experience, a delight for the senses that's hard to forget. And that's what makes it the first of the mind-blowing desserts taking the internet by storm. Number 2, Earl Grey infused chocolate lava cake. Next up is a dessert that combines both traditional and modern flavors in a delightful way. The spotlight now shines on a dessert that's making waves for its unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary flair, the Earl Grey infused chocolate lava cake. This dessert has its roots in the classic French dessert, the chocolate fondant, also known as the molten chocolate cake. It's a dessert that's loved universally for its gooey, chocolatey center that flows like lava encased within a decadently moist cake. But what sets the Earl Grey infused chocolate lava cake apart is the subtle addition of the Earl Grey tea flavor. Earl Grey, a black tea flavored with oil from the rind of bergamot oranges, lends a sophisticated citrusy undertone to the rich chocolate. It's a flavor pairing that's unconventional yet harmonious, making each bite an experience that's as surprising as it is delightful. The preparation of this dessert is also an artful blend of tradition and innovation. While the basic method follows the steps of the classic chocolate fondant, the infusion of the Earl Grey flavor is where modern culinary creativity comes into play. The cream used in the recipe is steeped with Earl Grey tea leaves, allowing the flavor to subtly permeate the chocolate filling. So why is this dessert gaining popularity on the internet? It's the beautiful marriage of flavors that's both comforting and exciting. It's the way it takes a well-loved dessert and adds a twist that's unexpected yet perfectly fitting. It's the challenge it presents to home cooks who are eager to try something new and share their culinary adventures online. This dessert takes a classic recipe and elevates it to new heights. With its blend of traditional charm and modern innovation, the Earl Grey infused chocolate lava cake is truly a testament to the magic that happens when the old and the new come together in the world of desserts. Number 3, the rainbow crepe cake. Our third dessert on the list is one that is as visually stunning as it is delicious. This sweet sensation is none other than the rainbow crepe cake, a delightful pile of multicolored crepes layered with creamy frosting. Each slice of this cake is a vibrant masterpiece, with colors that pop and swirl, creating an edible rainbow that's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Because once you take a bite, you'll understand why this dessert is taking the internet by storm. The crepes are thin and delicate, providing just the right amount of chew, while the frosting in between is sweet and creamy, offering a perfect contrast in both texture and flavor. The rainbow crepe cake is not just a dessert, it's a statement piece. It's a dessert that says, I'm fun, I'm bold, and I'm incredibly tasty. It's this blend of aesthetic appeal and mouth-watering flavor that has earned it a spot on our list and in the hearts and stomachs of dessert lovers around the globe. What's even more fascinating about this dessert is its versatility. While the classic rainbow version is undoubtedly a showstopper, there are countless variations to suit every palate. Some bakers are getting creative by using different flavors for each layer, like strawberry, lemon, or even matcha. Others are going for a more subtle look with ombre shades or pastel hues, proving that this dessert can be as understated or as bold as you want it to be. Making a rainbow crepe cake might seem daunting, but it's all about patience and precision. It starts with making the crepe batter and dividing it into separate bowls to add food coloring. Then it's just a matter of cooking each crepe, stacking them with a layer of frosting in between, and voila! You've created a dessert that's sure to impress. As we've seen, it's not just about the taste with the rainbow crepe cake, it's about the experience. The anticipation of cutting into the vibrant layers, the joy of tasting the creamy frosting and delicate crepes, and the satisfaction of creating something so beautiful. This dessert is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Number 4, the Cookie Cake Mousse Fusion. The fourth dessert on our list is a sweet treat that is truly innovative. Picture this. A dessert that combines the crispiness of a cookie, the fluffiness of a cake, and the creaminess of a mousse, all in one. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? This dessert is called the Cookie Cake Mousse Fusion, and it's been taking the internet by storm. What sets the Cookie Cake Mousse Fusion apart is its unique blend of textures and flavors. The base is a crunchy cookie crust, followed by a layer of light, airy cake, and topped with a thick, creamy mousse. Each layer adds its own distinct flavor, resulting in a dessert that is a symphony of taste sensations. Making the Cookie Cake Mousse Fusion is a bit of a process, but the results are well worth the effort. First, you'll need to bake the cookie crust and let it cool. Then, you'll prepare the cake layer and bake it directly on top of the cookie crust. Finally, you'll whip up the mousse and spread it over the cooled cake. It's a dessert that requires some patience, but the end result is a treat that is as delightful to look at as it is to eat. This dessert has been trending on the internet, not just for its unique combination of flavors and textures, but also for the endless variations that can be made. You can experiment with different types of cookies for the crust, various cake flavors for the middle layer, and a variety of mousse flavors for the topping. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. The Cookie Cake Mousse Fusion is a testament to the creativity of dessert lovers around the world. It's a dessert that challenges the norm, daring to combine elements that one would not typically find together in a single dish. For those who enjoy trying new and exciting desserts, this one is a must. Number 5, the Floating Island Dessert. Last but not least, our fifth dessert is one that has been taking the internet by storm. Say hello to the gravity-defying wonder, the Floating Island Dessert. This dessert has a fascinating mix of textures and flavors, making it a delight for the senses. The Floating Island Dessert, also known as Île Flottante, is a French classic that has won over dessert lovers from across the globe. The dessert consists of meringue floating on crème anglaise, a light vanilla custard. The meringue represents an island while the custard serves as the sea. The meringue is made by whisking egg whites until they form stiff peaks, which are then baked until golden and crispy on the outside but remain soft and marshmallow-like on the inside. The crème anglaise is a blend of milk, sugar, and egg yolks, heated gently until it thickens into a velvety sauce. But what sets this dessert apart is its presentation. The meringue island is often served floating on the crème anglaise, creating a visually stunning effect that has dessert enthusiasts reaching for their cameras. This dessert's popularity online can be attributed to its unique combination of textures and flavors and its visually stunning presentation. The soft, sweet meringue contrasts beautifully with the creamy, rich custard, offering a feast for both the eyes and the palate. The Floating Island Dessert is a testament to the magic that can be created with simple ingredients when they are used with creativity and precision. Moreover, its gravity-defying allure has made it a favorite subject for food bloggers and Instagram influencers who have played a significant role in its rising popularity. The Floating Island Dessert is not just a treat to eat, but also a joy to photograph and share online. In conclusion, the Floating Island Dessert checks all the boxes for a dessert that is sure to be a hit online. It's visually striking, delicious, and has an element of surprise. It's no wonder that this dessert has been taking the internet by storm. This dessert has been a hit online, and it's easy to see why. So there you have it. 5 mind-blowing desserts that are currently trending on the internet. First, we delved into the magic of Dessert 1, a dish that dazzles with its exotic flavors and whimsical presentation. It's a dessert that truly challenges the norm and gives us a taste of the unfamiliar, making it a must-try for the adventurous palate. Next up was Dessert 2, a treat that shines with its innovative preparation method. The chefs behind this dessert have truly mastered the art of transforming simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece, surprising us with a dessert that is as delightful to prepare as it is to eat. Then we explored Dessert 3, a spectacle of stunning visuals and decadent flavors. This dessert not only pleases the palate but also the eyes, making it a true feast for the senses. Moving on to Dessert 4, we witnessed how a classic dessert can be reimagined with a modern twist. It's a testament to how dessert can evolve while still staying true to its roots. Finally, we unveiled Dessert 5, a dessert that has managed to create a buzz with its unique combination of textures and flavors. It's the perfect example of how a dessert can be both comforting and exciting, familiar yet new. What ties these desserts together is their ability to push boundaries, be it through unique flavors, innovative preparation methods, or stunning visuals. They are all a testament to the creativity and skill of their creators, who have managed to turn dessert into an art form. Whether you're a dessert lover or just enjoy trying new things, these desserts are worth checking out. Who knows, you might just find your new favorite dessert among them. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you! Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.